In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in and manage your subscriptions on your Whop account. Whether you need to streamline your costs or take a break from a particular service, managing subscriptions efficiently is crucial. Let's dive into the process of accessing your Whop account and taking control of your subscriptions. First, let's start by navigating to Whop's website. Open your preferred web browser and type in whop.com, then hit enter. Once the homepage has loaded, look for the login button, usually prominently displayed at the top right corner. Click it and you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. It's important to remember to use the account that currently holds the subscription you intend to cancel. This will ensure you have the correct access and permissions to manage your subscriptions effectively. Once you've entered your login details, hit the login button and you'll be taken to your account dashboard. Now that you're logged in, let's proceed to manage your subscriptions. Start by locating your profile icon, also found in the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu. Among the options available, select Subscriptions. This feature is designed to give you a comprehensive overview of all the services you're currently subscribed to via Whop. It's an organized space where you can manage the active subscriptions linked to your account. Within the subscriptions section, you'll find a list showcasing all your active subscriptions. It's here that you need to identify the specific service you wish to cancel. Take your time to scroll through and find it within the list. Once you've located the correct subscription, click on it to reveal more detailed information. This detail view will usually provide you with insights into the subscription terms, billing cycle, and any other relevant specifics you might need to consider. Finally, it's time to cancel the subscription. Within the details view of your chosen service, there should be an option to cancel. The wording might vary slightly, but look for an option specifically mentioning cancellation. Confirm that you really want to cancel the subscription. It's common for services that ask you to confirm your decision as a final step, just to make sure it wasn't an accidental click. Once you confirm, the subscription will be canceled, and you'll usually receive a confirmation by email detailing the process and any further steps should they be necessary. And that's it! You've successfully logged into your Whop account and taken charge of your subscriptions. By keeping track of and managing your subscriptions regularly, you can ensure that you're only paying for services that you actively use and need. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. Don't forget to check back for more tutorials and tips on managing your digital life more effectively.